what's up? It's Ricky from Dance's Dope, and today we're doing a house footwork variations tutorial. Now we're doing 3 different footwork variations today. We're doing a pas de bourrée variation, we're doing a stomp variation, and a shuffle variation. Yeah, so we'll smash all these out, and make sure you stick around till the end, because we'll hit all of these moves with music at the end of the video. Yeah, so let's get straight to the first one. The first one's the pas de bourrée variation. So it looks like this. So it's not crazy different from your normal, we're just adding a little crip walk step into our pas de bourrée. Yeah, so if you can't pas de bourrée, you'll learn it in this video, but I'd advise checking out all my other house dance tutorials, links in the description, get all them basic moves done. Yeah, so you're hitting a normal pas de bourrée first, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, behind, side, front, behind, side, front. Now all you're doing with this is you're going to crip walk step with it. So left foot is coming behind, and your right foot, you're going to have all your weight in your heel, and your toes are going to come out like this. So as left foot steps behind, your toes are coming out. Then from there, you're going to step that right foot out, and then left foot in front. And that's your pas de bourrée step. Yeah, so again, left foot comes behind, right foot, your toes are coming out, step that right foot out, step left in front. One more. So left foot comes behind, as normal, as right, your toes are coming out, step that right foot out, left foot in front. Now you're going to go the other side. But what you want to do, when you do that third step of this pas de bourrée, to make it look that bit bigger, a bit more detail, finish with your foot facing in. So my left foot is facing in, because when this right foot steps behind for the first step of that pas de bourrée, your foot's going to come out. So right foot's going to step behind, left foot is going to come, your toes are going to come out, then step that left foot out to the side, and then right foot in front. And then again, left foot is going to come behind, because right foot, your toes come out. Step that right foot out, left foot in front. And finish with that foot facing in. Then right foot comes behind, as left foot, your toes are coming out. Left foot steps out, right foot in front. And finish with your foot facing in. Yeah? So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Boom. There's the first one. There's your pas de bourrée variation. The next one is a stomp variation. So we hit one regular stomp, then one with a twist. So it looks like this. So it's a 5-level variation this one. So you're going to hit a basic stomp. So start with left foot coming up, hop, tap, out. Then you're going to hop on your right foot as left foot comes up to there. So you want to do like a quarter turn with this. Then that left foot is going to tap behind, so the same as you would tap the stomp. You would usually tap it here. For this, you're going to tap behind. And what you're going to do is you're going to push off the ground with that left foot as you jump, spin, and land it out. Yeah? So we go one normal stop, hop, tap, out. You hop on right foot, left comes up, taps behind, and then jump it out as you spin. Then going on the other side, right foot's going to come up, so you hop, bring right foot up, tap, jump it out. So one normal stomp, and you're going to do the variation. So hop on left, as right comes up, do a quarter turn, tap that right foot behind, and then you're going to finish that turn off and jump it out. Yeah, so one more on that side with right leg coming up. So we hop, right leg up, tap it down, jump out, hop on left, right leg comes up, tap it behind, jump spin out. Yeah, nice. Now one side into the other. So we do a regular stomp, starting with left leg first. So what you want to do with this one is you do a regular stomp on left leg, then variation with that left leg. Then regular stomp on right, and variation with that right. So starting with the left, we go hop, tap, out, hop, tap, out. Then right foot, hop, tap, out, hop, tap, out. Nice. There's your second variation done. The third one is a shuffle variation. Now add an escape. So we're doing this basic shuffle, but we're going to add an escape with it. Yeah? So let's do it. This one, I like this one. This one's cool. So all you're doing with this one is you're going to kick the left foot out. Now you're going to hop on that left foot. As right foot comes to here. Now you want to start the skate on that second step here, because then on step number 3, you're going to bring that right foot underneath as you hop left foot over. Yeah, so I'll go to the side with that. So that right foot is coming underneath as you hop that left foot over. Yeah, so again, you kick the left foot out, hop onto it, right foot kicks, starts to come through, and then hop over that right foot, and left foot straight over. Yeah? Good. And again, one more that side. So we kick left, kick right, sweep it round, hop over. Then from there, you'll go straight to the other side. So you're going to kick right foot out. You're going to hop onto it as the left foot starts to sweep round. And you bring it here, and as it gets there, you want to jump that right foot straight over. So one more that side, kick right foot out, hop on that right foot as left foot sweeps around, and jump over at left foot to here. Yes. Now we'll go one side into the other. So we kick left, kick right, hop over, kick right, kick left, hop over, kick left, kick right, hop over, kick right, kick left, hop over. Nice, okay, so there is your 3 variations. So let's do a quick recap of them, and then we'll go more with the music. So, the pas de bourrée one first, which is our pas de bourrée quick walk variation. That is a tongue twister. You go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then the stomp variation, the stomp with a twist. So we hop, tap, out, hop, twist, out, hop, tap, out, hop, twist, out. And the last one, which was our shuffle with escape, we kick, kick, skate, kick, kick, skate. Okay, let's turn the music up. We'll go each of them slow with the music, then fast. So with the pas de bourrée, we'll go 4 slow, 8 fast. With the stomp, we'll go 2 on each side. Well, let's go 1 on each side, and then we'll go 4 fast because you'll get dizzy with that one. And then with the shuffle, we'll go 4 slow, 8 fast. Yeah? Let's go with the beat. Okay, so we'll do each of them slow and each of them fast with the music. Yeah? On my count, I'll count us in. Pas de bourrée slow. So we go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Here we go. Get that bounce. Okay, now speed it up. Email them to me, dancesdopetutorials@gmail.com. I want to check them out, and I definitely want to feature some of you guys on the channel. But if you did enjoy today's tutorial, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button to join the Dances Dope family, hit that bell notification button to keep up with the content. If there's anything I'm not doing or anything you're really enjoying, leave a comment down below. I do like to chat to all you guys. I appreciate you all. Apart from that, guys, well done. Catch you in the next one.